Hello students, good morning to all of you in class 12 commerce. We are studying the chapter accounting for partnership for fundamentals, and today's our topic is fixed capital. When the capital are fixed, okay. So so first of first of all, I want to explain you about the fixed capital. If the partners maintaining the fixed capital, we have to prepare the two accounts. We have to prepare the two accounts. First of all, we have to prepare a capital account, and second one is the current account. By the name of the fixed capital, as you can see, as you can assume that the capital account is maintaining just for capital account is just prepare or for maintaining to retain the fixed capital that was introduced at the time of the commencement of the business. That maybe the capital is fixed here. Capital is fixed here. Only fresh capital and permanent withdrawal taken here. And in the current accounts all related transaction like salary, commission, and interest on capital, interest on drawing, all the other items like any distribution of the profit taken here in the current accounts. All the other transaction like interest on capital, commission, salary, profit are taken here. So students, you just keep in your mind that if the question demanding that you are supposed to ask to prepare the fixed capital, then you have to prepare the two accounts, A capital account and B current account. Okay, so in the case of fixed capital, we will prepare the capital account just for maintaining the fixed capital. Here the capital is fixed, and the other transaction related to the interest on capital, commission, salary, profit, whatever the distribution is given to the partners will be written in the current account. So now we will take a question on the basis of the fixed capital. I'm going to take a practical question from your book, question number 9. So when the capital is fixed, first of all we study the question. Sorry, what the question is demanding. Question number 9. Okay, question number 9 says that Y and Z are the partners with the capital of 25,000 and 15,000 respectively on 1st April 2020. Each partner is entitled to 9% per annum interest on capital, and Z is entitled to salary of 6,000 per annum, together with a commission of 6% of the net profit remaining after deducting the interest on capital and salary and after charging his commission. The profit for the year ended 31st March 2021 before making any above adjustment amounted 30,800. Prepare the capital account when the capital are fixed and when the capital are fluctuating. So first of all, we have to calculate the divisible profit. How the divisible profit will be calculated? The one point is should be taken here carefully, that the question demanding that the 6% commission after charging interest on capital, salary, and after charging his commission, after deducting his own commission. So let's prepare it. To solve the question, first of all, we have to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account for the calculation of divisible profit. As the question here given that the divisible profit is 20,000. First of all, we have to take all these transactions related to the distribution of profit. So first of all, we have to find the divisible profit that is come in the question 20,000. So please refer your textbook for this question. Just prepare on the credit side and on the debit side. Profit and loss year, particular sorry. So first of all, we will write the profit here, that is the net profit given in the question. Transfer from PL account 30,000, 30,800. Now we take the interest on capital, Y and Z. Okay, Y and Z. If we calculate the interest on capital, that will come on at the rate of 9%. So Y interest will be 2,250 and Z interest on capital 13,500. That will come here total 3,600. The interest on capital will be 3600. Now we will give the Z salary, that is 6000 per annum, and add the commission we will calculate the commission on the, first of all we will deduct the 3600 from the profit 30,800, and 6,000 also, both the item will be deducted for calculation of the interest on, for calculation of the commission. Then we will find here, this way we will deduct the, because the question demanding that after deducting the interest on capital and salary, so 36,800 minus 6,000, and we will find that 6,000 21,200, 30,800 minus 3,600 minus 6,000, 21,200. On this 21,200 we will calculate the interest on capital, because the question demanding that the interest commission will be charged after deducting. In the case of after, we will take the rate into rate upon 100 plus rate, yani ki 106 we will take here in this way. So first up we will calculate by 6 upon 106, then our commission will become 1200. So then now we do the total of the both the sides. In the credit side we will get the 30,800 and to profit transfer to partners account. In the case of there is a no profit sharing ratio is given, so we will take the profit, remaining profit 20,000 will become here, 20,000 profit will be distributed among the Y and Z equally. Y and Z equally we will transfer both the partners, transfer to both the partners capital account or current account 10,000 each, because there is a no profit sharing ratio is given. So in this way we will find the divisible profit 20,000 as per the question, given 20,000. See here 20,000 is came. Okay, now we will prepare the capital account. Okay, so first of all we will prepare the capital account when the capital is fixed. Okay, here is the Y and Z, Y and Z. We will transfer the profit here in the credit side by profit transfer from PL appropriation 10,000 because there is a distribution of equal profit, individual profit. Now we will transfer the interest on capital 2,250, and in case Z 1350, and we also transfer the salary to Z 6,000 and also commission to the Z 1200. Now total the credit side of the column, we will find here the total 12,215 and 18,550, and do the balances at the debit side. Two balances carry down 12,250 or 18,550. So by this way we have prepared the capital account. Okay, now check the answer. Answer is came here. Our this name will not take the current account, we will take the current account, because for the purpose of fixed capital maintaining we will prepare the capital account separately. So this is the current account of the Y and Z. By this way our current account balance will be Y's balance 1200 250, 1800 550. So let's see the answer. 12,250, 18,515. Our answer is matched. So now prepare the capital account. Just this is the very simple. We just make the format. Either by balances YZ, transfer the opening balances of the capital that is given in the questions. 25,000 and 15,000. Because there is a no drawings or the no interest on drawing given, so just we will take the total of the credit side, that will be the balance of the our capital account. 15,000 and 25,000, 15,000. Just do the balances, because there is a no interest on drawing or the no fresh capital given, no, there is a no drawing or the no interest on drawing. So we will just do the total on the both the side, that will be our answer. To do the balances, carry down 25,000, 25,000. If there is 15,000, if in the question given that there is a fresh capital introduced, that will be right after writing the balances of the opening capital, and now write on the next to the balances by fresh capital introduced by bank, and write the drawing. If there is given drawing, we will write that to the drawing of the both the partner. So So this is our answer. Let's check the answer. By this we will do find our answer. Capital account balances it will be 25,000 and debt balances will be 15,000. Okay student, and this is the damn easy. So just we will add the, if we add the 25,000 on the current balances, we will find the answer 37,250. You can prepare at your home. Fluctuating capital, we will not prepare the separately both the account, current account or capital account. So just do practicing more and more question and ask to the same if there is any problem regarding the questions. Okay students, thank you.